In the heart of Kerala, an old elephant named Devi lived in silence. She used to dance in parades, carry gods, lift crowds. But those days faded like temple bells in rain. Now, in her final years, Devi no longer performed. She simply existed. One morning, a new caretaker left out some paint just for fun. And Devi dipped her trunk in blue and began to move like wind over water. She painted circles, spirals, shapes no one taught her, but the silence had whispered for years. Devi never roared, never spoke. But in every brushstroke she told a story of freedom. Sometimes the quietest voices leave the loudest mark.